So today we're going to be using this simulation site from the University of Colorado. It's a lot of fun. There's a lot of different sims, as you can see scrolling through right here. What I'd like you to do is locate the Play with Simulations button on the home page. That link to this page is right on your worksheet. It's very easy to remember, PhET.colorado.edu. Go ahead and click on that Play with Simulations button. You'll notice a menu here on the left. Where I'd like you to locate is All Sims. Click on that. And you're going to scroll down this page, I don't know, about a third of the way down until you find the circuit construction kits. I'd like you to locate this fourth one, the virtual lab. Go ahead and click on that. This is DC only. And then when you see this, what's going to happen is you're going to download it. And you can click right on the picture of the simulation and it will download automatically. Just watch the lower left part of your browser here. Now when you click on this, if it's the first time you've run a JavaScript program on your laptop in your account, you're probably going to get the little pop-up Java window. Just click on OK and move on. If not, if you've been on one of these sims before, either in my AutoCAD class or somewhere else, you will find that it will pop right open just like mine did. So what you're looking at here is a blank canvas for you to design. Now I've given you several designs. I'm not going to give you any of the answers on how to put those particular ones together, but what I'm going to show you is just a very fast demo. So start with a wire. We're going to be using the light bulb. Notice how it snaps right together. If you click on the ends of these, you can stretch them out. We'll put another wire over here. And maybe we want to throw a switch in, an on-off switch. Another wire here. Then at this point, maybe you want to add in a battery. Okay, and to connect, we'll need one more wire. Now the wires are different lengths. Notice nothing's happening because our switch is open. If we click and drag this down, we make our connection. Now this is a pretty fast current for a one battery, so if we right-click on the battery, we can find out what the voltage is. Right now it's going at 9 volts. If you want to go to current to be brighter, faster, you would get a bigger battery. If you want to go down to a smaller battery like the AA battery, which is 1.5 volts, you can see how slowly that's going to move. If you want to change your junctions, you just right click, hit split junction, and they come apart. If you grab in the middle, it will move. If you want to try doing a couple of batteries in series, see if it speeds it up, makes it a little brighter, you can see how that works. Other things you can change if you want to find out what the amp current is through your setup here. You can throw an amp meter in. Let's stretch this down a little bit. There we go. And as it goes through, can't connect it. There we go. It'll tell you what your current flow is. Likewise, there's a voltmeter that you can do. You want to make sure you're on either side of the battery for this. You can do it anywhere in the system. Just don't put it side by side or it won't give you a reading. Okay, we've got ours reversed. Got to get your polarities right in there. So we're looking at 10.5 volts here. So we must have a 9-volt battery here and a 1.5 here. You can also be really experimental and throw in a couple of resistors. And if you do that, you'll notice a few changes. You'll slow things down. Again, with the resistor, you can change the resistance on that. Notice also it changed your amperes down here. Okay, notice also the colors changed, just like we've talked about with the resistor colors before. You can pause your simulation, and the best part of all is you can save it. If you want to check out some of the other features, there's stuff under advanced here where you say you don't like to see the flow of electrons, you just like the general layout look, you can do that. You can also go up to this grab bag and try out different things to see what's going to generate electricity current. And go with that. When you're done, make sure you hit save. Okay, you can click OK. And it should give you the opportunity to save your, there it is, your file. Go on out to the T drive, make your save, and then you can show me your circuits when we're done. If you have any more questions, just call me over and we'll see what we can do.